Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the fourth vlog. How are you all? कैसे हो आप सभी लोग? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? So this is the fourth vlog. I'm very excited and happy that I am doing daily vlogs. Today we are going to have a bath for the baby, Jixer baby. She is hiding here. She is hiding beside me. So let's take the bike and go for bath. Wash. And today the time is 12:45. Starting the vlog little bit late. I want to edit the last vlog also. So let's go and take the baby for wash. He made very detailingly. While coming, we add oil in the chain and we loop and got some airs in tire. My very shy sister, she is hiding there. Come here. Moment of truth. This is my sister. Say hi. Show your hands, Ray. Say hi. Hi, bolo aisa. Hi. Oh wow. What a attitude, man. Oh. So, Piyu, do you know how to ride that bike? Huh? Do you know how to ride that bike? Oh. How we should ride the bike? Huh? Where is the key of that bike? Where is the key of that bike? I said key, not the lock. I said key. You are making it dusty, Ray. See. Come here. Come here, Ray. Come here. What? Huh? Okay, speak in Hindi. Bana, please, Anna. Say hi to my viewers. Say hi to my viewers, Pio. Say subscribe notification bell. Come, tell. Are Pio, please. Are you know, right? You say in Telugu, Re. Come. अरे पता है ना रे भाई काहे को ऐसा कर रहे तुम okay go how she is sitting so this time 2:22 the bottle of the paint bottle and she's coming and saying bro don't tell to dad huh చెప్పొద్దా డాడీకి చెప్పొద్దా ఎందుకు డాడీకి ఎందుకు చెప్పొద్దు ఇకరా come here why I should not tell to dad huh I will tell to dad I will tell to dad your name
Please.
huh please I will tell to dad your name
Please.
huh
Please.
so from today no beating to me okay huh नहीं मारना मुझे. हाँ, डील ओके.
Deal.
हाँ, what I will ask you should give. Deal.
Deal.
हाँ,
Deal.
deal. Say yes, see her, see to the
Deal.
camera. हाँ,
Deal.
I will say to dad only. Come. I have more benefits for after this. Dad will beat you now. I'll make the video.
Avana, please, Avana.
अरे अपना why are you? अरे पियो please. No. Daddy. Paint bottle.
Avana, please, Avana.
Okay, then go play, go. Huh? Go play, go.
Nana.
I will say to dad, pakka.
No.
Why no? See there how you did this. There, see. Madam, Maharani of the house. No one will say anything to her. No. Pio, no. Pio. Arey, daddy. Then, beta, it should be like that.
Hey, beta,
Martha, daddy, paint bottle.
मारतू भैया.
हाँ, ठीक है भैया, देखेंगे भैया.
देखेंगे, सायंत्रम देखेंगे.
क्या सायंत्रम देखेंगे?
देखेगा.
हाँ, देखेंगे. हाँ, देख लेंगे. बोल ना. अब why are you kicking me रे? She's kicking me, huh? Go, I'll say to dad. Daddy, your paint bottle. Ordak she broke the paint bottle. Daddy, she broke the paint bottle.
Please.
Come here. You can see daddy. Daddy, come here, daddy. She broke the paint bottle, daddy. Huh? Hey, you're cheating. You did and you're saying my name, huh? I will go to court. Hey, I will go to court. I'll file a case on you. Huh? शक्ल है इसकी, कुत्ते जैसी शक्ल है इसकी. कुत्ते जैसी शक्ल है इसकी. कुत्ते जैसी शक्ल है तेरी. For taking pani puri. Sorry, pani puri lovers. Add my pani puri cutlet. And sorry, my dad is watching CID. I can't bring him in the vlog. So let's have a bath. Yesterday I did the bath. Today I should do the bath. Bathing is very tiredness, bro. So just took a bath. The time is 6:22. Going to pick my mom and my grandma. They went to my aunt's house. Going to pick my grandma and my mom to home. They just went to hang out with them. So let's go. Just now called Kittu back. Is coming. Again, same timing. I came to his home. Today today he's not late. He's coming. So is one thing I want to say you that his phone is not working now. Not working means the microphone is not working. If we call, we don't get any voice. He was using phone in bathroom. Suddenly his father knocked the door, so he by mistakenly dropped the phone into the water. बाथरूम में क्या कर रहा किसको भी नहीं मालूम. The van is back.
Yo,
What
guys,
you did,
what's
Ray?
up, man?
What
From
you did,
morning I
Ray?
listened some classes and fucking some
Why? What are you talking, Ray? I said
deep
no.
on Veteshara bhai.
Okay. So, how your phone fall in water?
I couldn't explain.
say.
I couldn't explain
What
it,
what you were saying in bathroom?
I was watching some random video in YouTube. Then suddenly my phone fell off into the.
Your dad didn't knock the door.
No.
Ah.
Let's go.
So
man.
where are you
I'm
going now?
shy.
Where are we going now?
Your bro calling man.
My bro. Who is this bro?
This bro Abhiyan.
Hi bro.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm from
Huh.
Gautam Model School.
What's your name? Say that.
My name is Ryan Alfina. It seems Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh, swag. Crazy bro. Yeah. So we have
So,
copy
what's
piece
up,
of.
Cristiano
It
Ronaldo.
is not the copy piece, but duplicate के Cristiano Ronaldo. Say what's your name, real name?
My real name is Messi.
Oh wow.
Bah. अरे
రే అద్దుండాలరా రే
సూపర్ లీగ్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ
Sorry, my name is Neymar.
ఓ తెలియదురా బ్యా ఫ్లేవర్ ఎవడో కానీ చలో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ బాయ్ రే
Okay, bye.
బాయ్
I will also come.
బాయ్ రా రే బాయ్ రా నైస్ టు మీట్ యూ కమ్ వన్స్ అగైన్ ఇన్ బ్లాగ్
సన్ సిటీ
City. Most people don't know Sun City. Who are seeing me, my personally, who are seeing from Hyderabad know that Sun City. We are just roaming, getting some peace of mind outside. It's very cold outside. So going outside, bro. Very. Just went for a walk.
మరి ఇంత నొప్పి కైన్షాట్ కరా
Yo.
Yo guys just went for a walk on a such a long drive.
Chalo, going to home. It's 9:10. Okay, bro. You too, bro. Come here. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye bro.
Next vlog.
After few days.
No. Next day only. Bye then.
Bye.
Just came back home. So today is a very pleasant day. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So, bye.